Welcome back to CarScope. Today, we're taking a closer look at the exciting new 2027 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a luxury sedan that continues to redefine comfort, technology, and performance. Mercedes-Benz has always been known for building vehicles that combine elegance with innovation, and the latest E-Class takes that formula to an entirely new level. At first glance, the 2027 E-Class features a refined and sophisticated design. The front fascia is sharper than before, featuring a larger grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic shape. The sleek body lines flow smoothly from front to rear, giving the sedan a premium and modern appearance. Mercedes designers have focused on making the E-Class look both sporty and luxurious, ensuring it stands out in a crowded luxury sedan segment. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the incredible attention to detail. The cabin is crafted with high-quality materials, including premium leather, wood trim, and brushed metal accents. The dashboard is dominated by a massive digital display system that stretches across much of the front cabin. Mercedes continues to push the boundaries of technology, offering an advanced infotainment system with faster processing, improved voice commands, and seamless smartphone integration. One of the biggest highlights of the 2027 E-Class is its intelligent, artificial intelligence assistant. The system learns driver preferences over time, adjusting climate settings, navigation suggestions, and entertainment choices automatically. It creates a personalized driving experience that feels futuristic and convenient. When it comes to comfort, the E-Class remains one of the best in its class. The seats are designed for long-distance relaxation, featuring multiple adjustment options, heating, ventilation, and available massage functions. Rear seat passengers also benefit from generous legroom and premium amenities, making every journey enjoyable. Under the hood, Mercedes-Benz is expected to offer a range of efficient and powerful engines. Buyers can choose from turbocharged 4-cylinder options, smooth 6-cylinder powertrains, and electrified hybrid variants. These powertrains are designed to deliver impressive fuel efficiency while maintaining the strong performance expected from a luxury Mercedes sedan. Driving the 2027 E-Class is an experience focused on refinement. The suspension system absorbs road imperfections with ease, providing a smooth and composed ride. At the same time, precise steering and improved chassis tuning help the vehicle feel agile and responsive when navigating curves or city streets. Safety remains a major priority. The latest E-Class is packed with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and enhanced parking assistance. Mercedes is also introducing updated autonomous driving technologies that further reduce driver workload during highway travel. Another impressive aspect is the vehicle's connectivity. Over-the-air software updates allow the car to receive new features and improvements without visiting a dealership. This ensures that the E-Class remains current and technologically advanced throughout ownership. Overall, the 2027 Mercedes-Benz E-Class represents the perfect blend of luxury, innovation, performance, and comfort. It builds upon the strengths that have made the E-Class one of the most respected luxury sedans in the world, while introducing cutting-edge technology and modern styling that appeal to today's drivers. What do you think about the new 2027 Mercedes-Benz E-Class? Would you choose it over its rivals? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive content. Thanks for watching CarScope, and we'll see you in the next video.